Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see another question in the Pandas series. So the question is basically to select the data. The question says, write a solution to select the name and age of the student with student ID is equal to 101 and the result format is given in the following example. So we have a data frame students which has three columns, student ID, name and age. From here we need to print name and age if the student ID is equal to 101. So moving on to the solution, we will return students.loc students, that is student ID equal 101 comma name age. So what this statement will do, this students.loc basically is used for label based indexing. So it will take two arguments, rows and columns. So this students of student ID equal 101 will get the rows from the data frame which will have student ID is equal to 101. From that row, it will only retrieve the column which we have mentioned here, that is name and age. So let me quickly run it. You can see that we got the correct answer. With student 101, there was only one record. So let me quickly submit it. Yeah, that was all for today. Thank you for watching.